What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sharani. For today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to draw a face. I can do as many art videos as I want, but I always really wanted to show you guys an actual tutorial on how to draw a face, and most of you guys actually have been asking me to show you guys how to draw faces. Happy New Year, you guys. I am so happy you guys are here with me this year in 2018. I'm so happy and glad. This year is gonna be great. I already know it. I can feel it. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Grab your pencils and your sketchbook and let's get sketching. So these are the materials that I will be using. So I am first just drawing a circle. Now I'm going to do another circle, halving it. Now we are going to be taking our ruler to begin forming the head. Going to draw a line across. This is where the eyes are gonna lay at. Put the neck down. And shoulders. Now I'm actually going to put spacing between. Where the eyebrows will be. I'm going to put a circle. This is how I do it in my style. Do my noses. I put that little bridge right here because on a regular nose, this is like underneath the nose on a regular nose. So I like to do this and bring it up. Now for the eyes, I'm going to make almond shapes. I'm supposed to go hit right here. For my characters, I usually like them to have these big eyes. I put the circle first for the eyes. And then I like to go here. Sometimes I do this, I do that. And then kind of gives them that Darren look. If you get this, that's the ear, I forgot that part, but I like to add that in my, do it on the other side. Now, honestly, I love to do this part. I like to, for the lips, we don't leave this part as the chin. Because when the light hits it, this is where the lighting of the chin is going to be. So what I'm gonna do, we can go for that lip style, or we can actually get realistic about it. Up the lips a little bit. So now what I also do with the eyes, I create eyelashes. They're not just triangles, they have that kind of angelic look to them. Like that. And then you can just and then with a more pointier pencil, you can create the small eyelashes. And then here I add 1, 2, 3. I'll even add another eyelash here. Create that nice flare. 1, 2, 3. Even one right here. I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna put 7 right here. And in some of my, in most of my drawings, I like to add cute little makeup looks. If you actually look up, and if you know how to do makeup, like sometimes the eyeshadow would come down right here and then go up. Eyebrows, you can really do any shape. Actually, I think I'll do another drawing video on how to draw eyebrows or how to shade them. So for the ears, they start right here and then they end right here. Cute little hairstyle. Cute little off the shoulder. My finished drawing. I hope you guys found this video very helpful to help with improve your style or help improve your skills. And all it takes is practice, 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 and researching. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and don't forget to smile to spread the magic. Bye guys!